X-Bats developed our unique bat sleeve after many requests from customers wishing to protect the furniture-like finish on their X-Bats. Our craftsmen were all furniture makers and finishers before they made bats. Our factory is in an area formerly known as the furniture capital of the United States before the industry moved to China. Our bat finishes are proprietary and have been developed over years of testing how bats hold up in regular practice and play. Banging around in an equipment bag with other bats, cleats, etc., with the dirt and dust from the field wreaks havoc on the fine finish of an X-Bat. The sleeve is made from a stretchy Lycra fabric with an elasticized end designed to self-close at the knob end. Slide the bat into the sleeve barrel end first and pull the open end of the sleeve over the knob. The end forms a nice closure and keeps the bat finish protected from the dirt and abrasives that spoil the finish. It is embroidered with our X-Bats logo.